Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make design in order for you to be able to put it on Printify and then sell products that you want. For those who are not familiar with Printify, basically Printify is a print-on-demand website that allows you to create some design for products such as t-shirt, wallet, even scented candles that you can later on sell to people, and you don't have to think about the printing, you don't have to think about the delivery process because everything is taken care of by Printify. So I'm going to start by taking a look at Printify. I already created my store. I already signed in into my Printify account. If you haven't have one, all you have to do is go to Printify and then sign in either with your email or just sign in with Google. It's very easy. And then once you're done, you're going to want to set up your store. And after you finish with all of that, you'll see a dashboard that looks like this. And if you scroll all the way down, you will find some product option. So here are their bestsellers. They have t-shirt, scented candles, and some hoodies. You can definitely try to search for some more, but for now I'm going to go ahead and click on see more on this bestseller option, and then here they're going to give us some categories of stuff that we will want to sell. So here we got t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, phone cases, mugs, and wall decor. If you haven't known yet on what kind of things that you will want to sell, you can just click on choose for me, and then Printify will select some products for you. But for now, I think I'm gonna go with wall decor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and then here you have some more options that you can choose. So you can do frame horizontal post or satin poster, rolled poster, frame vertical poster. You can choose on whichever's you want. I think I'm going to go with this frame vertical posters one. And once I click on the product, they're going to give me some more details about the product that I'm going to design. Here we have frame vertical poster with generic brand on it. So this is a LexJet Premium 200 GSM paper, protective acrylic cover, frames available in black, walnut, and white finishes. Hanging kit already fixed, and it's going to have matte paper finish. And then if I scroll down, I also will be able to see on the providers that are going to take care of my printing as well as my delivery. So usually they will have more than one provider, and if you see that this provider right here is not the closest provider to you, you can just try to search for other product and then try to find the best provider, because most of the time when people try to sell print on demand item, they will want to print a tester first so that they will be able to know whether that provider will create a good product or not. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and go with this one. And if you would like to know more about the provider, you can just go ahead and click on provider infos, and then they will give you the infos of your product variants, your shipping, as well as the productions of this product. And then I'm just going to go ahead and click on start designing. So this is how the product will look like. They're going to give you the production cost as well as the print area size. Now there are two ways that you can do in order to design something on Printify. The first one is by designing things directly through Printify. So here you have the options to create AI image, or you can also go to their graphic options, and here they have some graphic that you can choose, and you can use it as your design. For example, like this one's right here, you can just go ahead and click on it, and it's going to automatically add that pictures into your product, and you'll be able to see this tiny dots as well as tiny squares on the very edge of the graphic, and the squares are going to allow you to resize the graphic. Meanwhile, the circle will allows you to rotate the graphic to however you want it to be. And then you can also create AI image by adding prompt. Let's try it. So first we're going to choose the style. I'm going to go with origami. I think this one looks cool. And for the text prompt, I want it to be a bouquet of pink roses. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on generate image. Then we wait until the images are finished loading. Alright, so here are the result. Sometimes it might not go perfectly with the prompt that you add, because remember I add a bouquet of pink roses, but they just give me like singular roses, and some of them comes in a small bouquet, but it doesn't matter. Let's say that I want to go with this ones right here. So when I click on it, it's going to appear on my canvas. And to enlarge it, all I have to do is just click on this tiny square and then adjust the picture. So it looks something like this. And the second way to design your product is by going to Canva. This is one of my favorite website for designing things because it's very easy. And I do have Canva Pro here, but you don't need to use the exact same type of account. You can just use the free one. Just make sure to avoid anything that has the pro symbols on it. Now I'm going to start by creating a new frame. I'm going to go back to Printify real quick and try to see on the size of my frame. So it's 11-inch by 14-inch, and I'm going to add it to my Canva. Alright, so here is my canvas, and as you can see on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see some templates that you can use. I personally will not use all of these templates exactly as it is, because it's sort of like the same as you just stealing other people's content, and I don't think that's a good idea. So what I would want to do is create stuff. I might want to use one or two templates and then start from there. So maybe like this one's right here. I'm going to use it as my base, and then I'm going to add some more element, like maybe some text. But before I add my text, I will want to add the shapes right here, and then I'm going to lower the transparency. So these element is going to be a divider between my text and the background. Also want to change the color to probably white. Alright, so it looks something like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and go to text sections and try to search for some fonts combination. Alright, so this is how it looks like. I created a design with quotes, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to download it as PNG, and then I'm going to upload it into my Printify. So here on the left side of the screen, you'll be able to see this upload button right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and upload the design that I've just made. And then I'm going to delete this one, and there you have it. Now all I have to do is just adjust it to the frame or to the product, and now our design is uploaded into Printify. If you would like to see how the product will look like in real life, they also offers you this preview option. So go ahead and click on it, and then you'll be able to see on how the product will look like once it's printed and hanged on your buyer's place. You can also change the frame colors if you want, and again see it on how it looks like on the preview mockup. And once you're done, all I have to do is save the product, and you got your product design. That's basically it. That is how you can design a product for Printify. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.